Question number 4. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Here first we simplify this expressions. Then find give the value of x 3, then 1 by 2. Then first we can simplify the expressions. Look, 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. Then is equal to, we can write first this monomial multiply inside the 2 times binomial, means we can write 3x into 4x, then minus 3x into 5. Then first we multiply this first term, then after second term. Then next we write plus 3. Then is equal to, we can write its answer direct. Look, 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square. Then minus 3 into 5, 15x plus 3. This answer of this expression, means we simplify this two expressions. Then next we apply the value. Here first look, first x is equal to which number? X is equal to 3. So x place of x we apply, write the value of x. What is the value of x here? 3. So we can write 12x square minus 15x plus 3 is equal to, this place of x which number we write? 3. So we can write 12 into 3 square, x square place we write 3 square, minus 15 into which number? X place we write 3 plus 3. Then is equal to, look, 3 square means 9. Then 12 9s are which number? 108 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Then what is 108 minus 45? What is answer? 63. 63 plus 3, what is answer? 66. Then x place we apply the value of 3. What is the expression's value? The value of this expression is 66. Is it clear? Then next we can give x is equal to, second question look, x is equal to 1 by 2. X place we write 1 by 2. Then expression is write 12x square minus 15x plus 3 is equal to, here look, 12 into x square place we write 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Do you understand this step? Then next 12 into 1 by 2, how many times multiply? 1 by 2, we multiply 2 times. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So here we write 1 by 4. Then 15 into 1 minus 15 into 1, 15 by 2 plus 3. Then look here, this 12 and 4 cut. How many times? 4 in 12, 3 times. Then we can write is equal to, look, 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 is equal to, look, here how many times? 3 times. Its denominators are different. So which is the, here 1, this 1. So we can take 2 as the common denominator. 2 take as a common denominator. So, this 2 multiply 3, 6. Then, here already denominator 2, so we can write minus 50. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 6. Then is equal to, look, these two numbers are positive. So, we can add 6 plus 6, 12. Negative 50 plus 12, which number? Negative 15 plus 12? Negative 3. Difference of 15 and 12 is 3, and the biggest numbers are negative by 2. Then the value of x is 1 by 2. What is the value of the expression? The value of expression is negative 3 by 2. Is it clear? The next, question number 5. Look, add p into p minus q, q, q minus r, r minus p. Add these expressions. Then look, question number 5a. p minus q. Then q minus r. Then r minus p. Here look, p minus q plus q minus r plus r minus p. Then we can multiply these expressions. P into p into p first. This p multiply first time, then p multiply second time. Then minus p into q plus q into q minus q into r plus r into r minus r into p. Then is equal to p into p square. Then minus p into q minus pq, q into q square minus q into r minus qr plus r into r square, then minus r into p minus rp. Then look, any like term is here? Here no like term. So answer is the same. This is its answer. Is it clear? The next question number 6. Subtract. Look, question 3l, l minus 4m plus 5n. Question number 6. 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l 10n minus 3m minus 2l. 10 negative 3, then 2l. 2l minus note plus. Then first we simplify this expression. Then first expression you can write 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n is equal to, we can write 3 into l minus 3 into l into 4m, then plus 3l into 5n is equal to, what is this answer? 3 into l, 3l square. 3l square minus 3 4s are 12 lm, then plus 3 5s are 50 L n. This is first expression. Then next second. 4L into 10n minus 3m plus 2L. Then this 4L multiply these 3 times is equal to first 4L into 10n minus 4L into 3m plus 4L into 2L. Then look here, 40, 4 into 10, 40 L n. Then minus 4 3s are 12 L m plus 8 L square. Then next first here simplify this to expression. Then next subtract. Then subtraction, first we write from after which expression, from after this expression for 40 L n minus 12 L m plus 8 L square. First we write the second expressions. Then next third. Then third 3 L square. 3 L square we write like term, write below the like term. Here positive 3L. So positive 3L square. Then minus 12L. Minus 12L m plus 50L n. This is second expression. The next subtract. Then next what is the next step? Then second expressions sign will be changed. Means positive change into negative and negative change into positive, then positive change into negative. Then next we add the terms, like terms. Look here, 8L square is positive and this is 3L square. Then add positive and negative will come. Find out the difference. 5L square. And which is the biggest number? This. What is its sign? Positive. Then next here, this is 12Lm and this is positive 12Lm. One is negative and other is positive. So this is cancelled. Then next. This is 40Lm and this is 15Lm. This one is positive and other is negative. So find out the difference. What is the difference between 14 and 15? Then 25. 25 L n. Then what is its sign? Positive. Biggest number positive. So its sign is positive. So what is the answer? This questions see answer is equal to 25 L n plus 5 L square. Is it clear? Then this exercise 9.3 you should write your fair copy. Thank you.